Variables in websites are everywhere, but have you ever wondered how websites remember things like settings, user data, etc.? Well, it's actually quite simple. So, here we have a website, simple website, a little bit of CSS, took me hours. Don't ask why, I'm not really good with CSS. But let's just say we want to store a value, say web. We store the value. Now we have it in our session as a variable name, but now I reload it and it's gone. That's because that value was saved in the RAM, in a volatile memory or something like that, in which the memory gets reset every time you close or reload the website. Now, you have local storage. So let's say I make a text called hello, and I save that to local storage. Now, if I reload the program, it's still there. Now, where is it? Well, if I open the Elements tab and I go to Application and Local Storage, you'll see I have a saved text value with the value hello. Now, if I change that, changes. It's pretty cool. Now, you can see there are a bunch of different storages also. So, shared storage, can share storage with websites. Session storage only stores specific session. Extension storage, don't really have to worry about that. And cookies, the thing you were always asked, also a type of file. Now, if how does this work? It's actually quite simple. You just need to use the local storage function in JavaScript. So, or in any other React framework, JavaScript framework you might be working in. So the local storage dot set item sets an item with an ID, as we saw, with a specific value. The local storage get item gets that specific value from the text. So that's how it works specifically, is the website stores the values in a folder on your hard drive, and you get about 15 megabytes of storage, which is plenty enough if you just want to store some user data, maybe some settings, etc. And then there's the temporary variables, which are stored in RAM and get removed as the website gets removed. So if I reload the website, the RAM with the variables will reload. It's pretty self-explanatory. I hope you learned something today, and thank you for watching. As always, bye bye.